With the release of the Apple HomePod a few short days ago, we've had more time to mess around with the Siri-equipped speaker and find out exactly what the HomePod is capable of. One of the main use cases for Siri on the HomePod is controlling your Apple Music library. There are lots of voice commands to interact with Apple Music, and in this video, we're going to go through some Siri commands that will help you get the most out of your HomePod when listening to music. Before we get started, I wanted to take this time to warn you that we will be using the voice command to activate Siri during some of these examples. In order to prevent your devices from being triggered, you may want to consider headphones for this portion of the video. Now, aside from some of the obvious general commands like play, pause, skipping songs, etc., you can also ask Siri a few more intricate voice commands like, "Hey Siri, skip forward 30 seconds. Jump back 10 seconds. Increase the volume to 50%. Turn on repeat."
Okay, turning repeat on.
The most common way you'll probably interact with Siri and Apple Music will be with your playlists and library. For example, for your playlist, you can say things like, "Hey Siri, play my mix playlist."
Playlist mix now playing.
Shuffle this playlist.
Okay, turning shuffle on.
And for your music library, you can also say, "Play my music from Foo Fighters."
Got it. Here's the self-titled album by Foo Fighters.
Add this to my library.
Okay, I've added it.
Siri can understand a wide range of commands requesting various musical genres and moods found within Apple Music. You can also request songs based on decades, specific years, and exact dates. "Hey Siri, play some romantic music."
Sure. Here's a personalized station of romantic songs.
"Hey Siri, play sad music."
Sure. Here's a personalized station of sad songs.
"Play the best songs from the 90s.
Playing some top songs of the 90s.
"Hey Siri, play the top song from February 13th, 2008.
Here's Low, featuring T-Pain by Flo Rida.
Play the top 10 songs from 1989.
Playing the top 10 songs from 1989.
Finally, there are some other useful Siri commands to get more information about what you're currently listening to, like, "Hey Siri, who sings this?"
This is Chicago. This track is called Look Away.
"Who's the drummer in this band?"
Tristan Bowden plays drums in Chicago.
"How many songs are in this album?"
There are 39 songs on this album.
"Tell me more about this artist."
Chicago is an American rock band formed in 1967 in Chicago.
And you can even hear a live version of a song if Siri can find one. "I want to hear the live version of this song."
Okay, playing Master of Puppets, Live with the SFSO by Metallica.
There are a bunch of other voice commands that you can use with Siri and your HomePod, and I will leave a link to more of those commands down in the description below. Also, be sure to let us know which command you find the most useful for Apple Music in the comments section. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.